तामसं महात् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णाङ्गरण्यचन्द्राङ्गण्डमयी लक्ष्मी जातु वेदमावः अङ्गमावजातु वेदलक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं दत्ताङ्गिरण्यबिन्दे अङ्गामस्तं गुरुतानाम् अष्टपूर्वाङ्ग तस्मात् वैरे विनाशना सर्वदा भद्रे
because from Tripura people used to come to Delhi and there are lack of spaces in Tripura Bhavan. So I was roaming to and fro. I visited here and another is Tripura Bhavan in Koitillumar. So there are some restrictions also, because you cannot make the building too much high because of some security reasons, you know. So when I found that room, that space, I talked to the officers over here. Ultimately, we got one space where today we are going to lay the foundation stone. That is annexing of the Tigandojit Mark. You see, if you think for ourselves also, in my life several times during our student life or for some other purposes, for our children's too, we have visited Delhi several times. But because of lack of accommodations in Tripura Bhavan or some other reasons also, you know, until and unless you belong to or you are supporter of that particular regime, you will not get the room. And that was there. So we have to hire some rooms and some hotels, and the places were very insecure too. People wanted that I should get the accommodation in our Tripura Bhavan where security would be there, and moreover they will feel very free to stay here. This we are trying our best to do something with our people of Tripura. So in that line and in that mind, today because we have found this space, so we thought whatever it may be, why not this could be extended? So that we have done. The history, if we go back of Tripura Bhavan's history, on 1st September 1981, the first Tripura Bhavan was established at Koitillumar. And in 2002, the second Tripura Bhavan had been Tigandojit Mark was extended. Later on, Koitillumar was demolished and rebuilt in 2012. Now presently, the facility consists of only 24 rooms, along with the big hall, which is being used as dormitory for the students or for players and all these things. Now, if we see one, along with Tigandojit, then we will have about that means there would be about 60 rooms, isn't it? 60 rooms. This is because we have desired to extend whatever space available. So on the basis of that, several times I came, manner they are going to construct. So you will not feel that it is something new building. It will be at the same level, but the entry and exit would be from this corridor, and I don't know whether they are making or not. Dormitories to support patients as well as students or any other purpose also. Estimated project cost is about 2.95 crore, about say 3 crore. Foundation stone for Tripura Bhavan in Dharuka also. I had to go to Union Territories Lieutenant Governor. So I requested him that we need more spaces in Delhi, and he had sanctioned. And Dwarka also I had gone there twice or thrice, and there we have the space of about 3,000 square meter, and there about 60 rooms will be constructed. So drawing design already have made, some forest clearance and other clearance spot to be cleared, and there the modern infrastructures will be constructed. Very nicely it should be built there. So I think to some extent the problem of this accommodation will be met up. Construction of a new Tripura Bhavan in Mumbai, the patients are going there in Mumbai. There also we have already purchased the land, and it is very near to this cancer hospital, so when there also. So the work is underway. Telangana for free land allotment for Tripura particularly, and the proposal we have accepted. They have sent the proposal to us. We have accepted and we have sent back to the government of Telangana. Telangana belongs to Tripura, so because of his initiation, it has been made. I would like to give him a big thanks. Strong resolve to connect Tripura with major metropolitan cities. This is our motto. Facilitate education, business, employment, healthcare, and cultural engagement. And it has become possible only because of our visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and he wants that every state should say. Already our this GDP, gross GSTs, and we stand at the second best so far this GST is concerned in Northeastern region. Per capita income, if we talk about, then we are the second best in Northeastern region. If we say this regarding NITI Aayog, they have already given us the certificate that now Tripura is supposed to be the front runner state in Tripura. So far law situation is concerned, we are now from the below, out of 28 full states, we stand at from the below. Few days back our